Hi, today I wanted to show you some of the things I've been working on. Amigurumi is one of my main hobbies, and so I've been working on these little donuts in different characters. And so with this one, I just made a bunny. I didn't put the tail on the back end because usually it keeps it from laying kind of flat, but I kind of wish that I would have put a tail along the side. With these ones, I did not get the safety eyes on properly. They're just hot glued on. It's hard to get the safety eyes I have through multiple layers. So I did just hot glue those on. And then for the ears and the blush, I just used a real pale shade of eyeshadow and just kind of added a little color in. That way it gave it a little more to it than just the plain white. Around Christmas time, I'd made another one, and this was a Christmas wreath. And again, because eyes can be so hard to get through multiple layers, I just made some bubble eyes. And that way it just had one layer to go through and I could get the safety eyes on more securely. And then I just made some colorful little Christmas bulbs and then stitched in a little bit of black going around to look like the string that holds all the lights together. This one I did around Halloween. And I know it's a little hard to see, but I've got a spider here, and then his little legs are kind of sewn in. And it's just got a little eyeball and a bat who's got some very big fangs. I kind of overdid it on the fangs, but I thought it came out kind of cute. Then with this frosting, I did kind of like a toxic looking color, and it's got some tinsel kind of weaved in. And then there's some little orange sprinkles added on. This one's kind of simple. It's just a cloud on a pastel rainbow, and then I just put a little pink yarn in for the cheeks. And I thought that one kind of turned out simple but really cute. This one's one of my favorites. It's supposed to be a little jellyfish, and I did the same with the eyes, and then just put a couple little stars on like starfish. And then my last donut is kind of done in the colors of Princess Peach from Mario. And it's got a little crown and then just pink with some darker pink polka dots, and then the blue is kind of to represent the jewel that Peach wears. And those are pretty easy to make up. So if you were looking for a quick project, those are really quick and easy, but even more so are these cake pops. And I thought these came out really cute. Up on the top I've got little seed beads to use as sprinkles. So I've got a purple one, I've got a couple different variations of pink, then I've also got yellow, kind of a tealish blue, and then the last two, a white one and kind of a sky blue. And now these would be really good to make up if you're looking for something quick and easy to make for a gift. You could give this along with like a gift card to a coffee shop, just something really quick and easy. And I was thinking about the donuts when I was making these. I thought of another idea that I could do. I was thinking about doing blue frosting and then a little shark fin coming up off the frosting. I thought it would kind of look cute, like a little shark was circling the donut. With these, you could also get one of the donut boxes from your local grocery store from the bakery section. And if you put like 6 or 12 donuts in, it would make a really neat way to present the gift and just kind of a unique idea. And then the same with these, if you made up a few of these and had a little cake pop stand, maybe a really nice way to either display them or give them as a gift. Well, that's everything I've been working on lately, and I'm sure I'll have more to show you soon, but I hope you have a great day. Bye.